What's good, YouTube? Yeah, we back, man. What we doing today is a $127 catering order. We got salad right here. We got another bag of cutlery, forks and knives and stuff. And then we got a big box of sauces right here. And she said it's sausage and chicken. And then you got, I don't know what's in that bag, but we got a lot of bags and a lot of boxes. But she made it easy for us. This is great. We're gonna go ahead and drop this off. This is actually $127. A bang, bang. Crazy, $127. And I've already did $48 worth of Home Depot deliveries. If you watch my last video, you will know where I get the Home Depot deliveries from. I listed the app on there. So, we about to go get on the way to drop this off. Yeah, man. I ain't gonna make this video too long. I just want to show y'all that we got a $127 catering order. And the app for this, go back 2 videos. Matter of fact, it's 3 videos. Go back to my 3rd video. Not the last one, not the one before that, but the one before that. Talking about catering bang bangs. Whoo, I list a whole bunch of them. You'll see how to do it. $127 bang bang right here. We on the way to drive to it. It's 15 miles away. So yes, it is $127, but it's a big whopping 15 mile. It's about 26 minutes from the pickup, but that's nothing, man. I'm talking about $130 banger. Boo. Okay, we've arrived. I gotta go up the ramp right there. I've already unpacked everything. Cool. Hey, they give you a clue right there. See that? Hope you can see that. They gave you a little clue right there what the app is. And see that right there? Give you another little clue on how you get these catering bang bangs. But yeah, man, we're gonna walk up here, talk to security over there, and get up here to this 10th floor and make this drop. Y'all gotta know how to pack, man. I got a box up under there. This thing packed up good. Better jump on this elevator to the 10th floor. Here we go. It was a construction dude on here. He was like, hey, you can stop by where we at, man. Everybody wanting to get some of the food, man. You bring it, they see you the food carrier. They like, hey, what's up with that? I can't do it. It's going somewhere special. To the 10th floor. Okay, this is the order fully done. Ready to go. Okay, so that was super smooth. She ended up, it was 2 ladies ended up helping me out, helping me set everything up. Can't complain. My bags all folded back up, ready to go. Put my cart back in the car, stash it away, make all the room and all the space in my car like I usually do. And other than that, man, y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video. Tesla signing out. I'm still here. Nighttime grind has been amazing, yo. I'm talking about crazy. I ain't even start till like 6. It's 10 o'clock now, but I just dropped off a $66 for 22 miles Uber Eats order. And I dropped off a Walmart Spark. It was $15 for 3 miles. And then just now they offering me $33 for 11 miles. And that brings the total up to probably, man, I think it's around 310, 315. I had to do the calculation, but let's just say 315. Because I think it's more than that, honestly. But yeah, man. Gotta go to PF Chain right there. So go ahead and park, get it in real quick. Yeah, man, y'all subscribe to the channel, like the video. This has been another $300 day. I expected it to be pretty high because I did have a $127 catering order lined up. I actually passed on an order that was $109. It was $109, but it was going only 36 miles. It was 36 miles, $109, but it was a cargo van order. And the only thing is the distance and the direction it was going is too crazy to do that during traffic time. And the pickup was at like 4 o'clock. So you was gonna have an hour there, an hour back. That's too close to 5 o'clock traffic. I ain't from down here. The traffic make my head explode, so I don't do traffic time. That's why I said I got back out here at 6. If you watch my videos before about where I was explaining to you how I space out my day. So it's like before traffic and after traffic. But during traffic, I'm not on the road. So yeah. But like I said, let's get in here and get this order. Catch y'all on the next one, man. Appreciate y'all for rocking with your boy. We out.